What's up, guys? Can you hear me? What is up? What is up? Can y'all hear me? Let's see. Happy Halloween to everybody. How is everybody doing? Give me a second.
Isn't it? I don't know what it costs, but someone started buying it yet. But I'm giving it the.
What's up, guys? What is up? What is up? What is up? How's everybody? Okay. I'll make a quick post like everyone know I'm on here, just in case. Yeah. Let's see. Let me make sure you guys can see everything. What is up? What is up? Let me see. Share. Halloween market overview. How are you guys? Are you guys enjoying your Halloween? You guys are in. Yeah. Hello. 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 Oh, what's up, Mika? Oh, some of y'all in here, huh? Okay. Let me see. What's up, guys? Can y'all can hear me? How's your Halloween going? Silly said the grocery store was a madhouse. Oh snap! Buying all the candy. Okay, buying all the candy. Yeah, we got those problems for sure. For sure. Okay. Let me see here. It's greetings, guys. So we're gonna do a quick market overview. Look at the charts. What's up, everyone? What's up? We're about to start looking at the charts right now. What is up? My weekend was pretty good, Silky. How was yours? What's up, Meek? What's up, Joni? Kelly, what's up, Carla? Okay. I'm about to slice y'all heads off today. What's up, Fernando? What's up, Andrew? What's up, guys? Let me see. VJ, what is up? What is up? What is up? Oh, snaps. I don't even have my camera on. Should I show y'all my costume? Y'all ain't ready for the costume, man. Y'all ain't ready for it. Hold on. All right. All right. What is up? What is up? What is up? What is up? Mm-hmm. See. Oh, my bad, y'all. Wait, can y'all hear me now? Wait, what happened? Can y'all? Uh-oh. Can y'all hear me? Hold on. I can't see myself. Can y'all hear me? Y'all can see me now? Y'all can see me, but I can't see y'all. What's up? How y'all doing? Oh, y'all can see me? You feel me? I'm kind of like that guy. I'm kind of that guy for real. Like I just disappear, come back. You never know what you're gonna get with me. You never know what you're gonna get with me, y'all. You feel me? You never know what you're gonna get. Let me see. I'm trying to get this thing to work. Yeah, we're gonna look at the charts though. It's a whole ninja outfit though. I'm not gonna lie. It's a whole ninja outfit. All right. I'm just letting y'all know y'all not ready for that vibes. Okay. I'm a real ninja in real life. Okay. All right. I'm just letting y'all know. Some of y'all won't even know where this is from. That's how much of a ninja I am in real life. In real life, I'm gonna have to cut some of y'all. Okay. Have a talk with me right now. Some of y'all are messing up, and I'm gonna have to just, you know what I'm saying? Some of y'all are gonna have to get cut. All right, I'm letting you know. All right, but I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna put this back, okay? Because I don't want to hurt nobody. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to do that. We're all having a great Halloween night. I don't want to have to massacre anybody. Okay. All right. So we're gonna continue this session peacefully. Have a nice little market analysis. All right. Fernando, you're scared. Fernando said he's scared. I mean, Listen, don't make me whip it out. All right, here we go. So, can you guys hear my Can you guys hear the soundboard though? Let me see. Can you hear the sound? Let me see. Like I'm playing all the sounds. Can you hear it? I am. I'm going all out today, Fernando. He said, "Don't do that." What's up, Prince? Listen, man. Y'all ain't about that life. It's okay. I'm really about that life in real life. Let me see. For some reason, I can't see myself, but you guys can see me. So, yo, I don't know why you guys can't hear the soundboard. I really don't know. I'm kind of upset, yo. But I guess we have to do it without the soundboard today. Again, I don't know why. I'm like upset. Let's get to the trading. Let me share my screen. Let me see. Let me see here. Let's look at AU. All right. And we're going to do. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Actually, I'm about to take off the cape, man, because y'all about to get me riled up. Hold on. Here we go. Hold on. I don't even need the cape. I don't even need the cape. All right. Y'all ready? But you guys can't hear the soundboard though? In all seriousness? Yo, I'm getting this fixed next time. I'm low key tight. Mm-hmm. Mute screen audio. Mute screen audio. Let me see. All right. What about now? Can you hear me now? Now? No? Max sabotaged it? Kelly, she did. Yo, why would she do that? Why would she do that? Why? You know? She's out here not he doesn't want us to have a good time. And he okay. Yo, I can't play my music. I'm tight. I'm tight today, but we're still gonna turn up. All right. I'm gonna do my own soundboards. How about that? We get out here, but the soundboard. Okay. All right. Let's get to the charts, guys. Screw that. All right. So listen, I'm gonna have my own soundboard. Actually, I'm gonna improvise. I'm gonna improvise so hard that y'all are gonna be like, yo, Ryan does not give up. No, I don't. Watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna play it on my phone. I'm that guy. Hold on. Here we go. Oh, I'm doing it on my phone. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I will improvise the hell out of something. I will not accept failure. Here we go. I'm going to make it work. All right, y'all ready? All right, let's mark some charts. Because today was a good day to trade. Even though I look like my head is on fire, I want y'all to understand. Hold on, let me go. I know my head looks like it's on fire. And anyone coming for me in the comments, just know I'm going to pull out my sword and slash you in real life. So I don't want to hear no light skin. He has the fire hair. Yo, listen, this is not carnival. All right. This is real fire. This is like, I'm so fire. Listen, I'm so fire at the charts. I had to go to Halloween and say, how can I make my session more fire? Oh, I know. Let me get a fire head because I'm constantly on fire. Okay? Do you understand? Do you understand? I just need y'all to understand. That's the vibe I know. Okay. Hold on. I just need you guys to know. Okay, that's bars. And we're about to mark some charts. Okay. I can do it all day long. All right. I can improvise all day long. Y'all getting sick of me today. All right, let's go. AUD on a Tuesday, on a Monday, my bad. So today was actually a good day to trade. Weirdly enough, at least for NAS anyway, NAS was actually not that bad to trade, right? But everything else was kind of slow. But the dollar did make a nice push up today, right? So AUD did drop nice. So there wasn't much movement. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Let's see here. Around 8, 9 o'clock, there was some movement down and then reverse around 11 o'clock. So there was some type of movement today. It wasn't the most ideal. Okay. So for me personally, right, because there is a holiday, right? I typically like to trade indices or metals or some type of other asset than currency pairs. That's just me. Okay. So if you're sitting here trying to trade EU, GU, UJ, all that type of stuff on a holiday, as I pet my hair, I don't know. To me, that doesn't seem like the best way to go about it. If you want to trade today, you can do two things. You can do two things. You can probably trade the indexes or the indices, the metals, some type of other asset class, or what? Somebody put in the chat. I'm not even gonna say it. Someone put it in the chat today. Great job, Fernando. It was a money job, Meek. It was easy. It was mad easy. Cool. Let me see. Monica said, my hair looking real bullish out here. You dang right. Tuh. Yeah, dang right. Thank you. Thank you. Okay? Chimone. All right. Okay, so what's the other thing? So today's Halloween, right? We know it's Halloween, but if you want to trade the markets, right? You could either trade the indices or metals or what? There's two options here. Rain said, Carlita says study. Okay. Rashawn, this is sit on your hands. Okay, I like it. Valerie said, don't trade. Okay. Monica said, I don't know, emoji face. Ingrid says study. Okay, I like it. I'm not gonna have to cut your heads off today, but I'm gonna save this in case I gotta whip it out. Okay. You know what I'm saying? I really got a whole sword for y'all. It's bigger than my leg. Kelly said BTC. Robert said nothing. Junior said front test on demo. Okay, I like it. All right, all of you guys are actually getting it correct. So I'm actually extremely pleased. Good job. Okay, so you either trade something that's really not a Forex pair that doesn't have the dollar in it. That's me preferably. Or you could just sit on your butt and not do anything today. Right? So those are your two options when it comes to big holidays. Okay? Because there's not going to be a lot of volume, right, in the Forex pairs. Now, there is going to be typically volume in NAS and indices and metals. Again, things that have a lot of volatility, a lot of momentum, you're still going to be able to trade. So when someone says to you, oh, you can't trade Halloween, you shouldn't be trading today, I'm going to look at you real funny. Look at you real weird, okay? And I'm going to fix my hairdo. and I'm gonna get my katana and I might have to slash you. Okay, because that's not true. It depends on what you're trading and how you're trading, and if it is part of your trade plan. Now, me personally, I wanted to trade today, but I couldn't. A lot of things happened, and because of that, I couldn't trade today. But I wanted to trade, and I wanted to specifically trade NAS. Okay, so again, just to kind of go over not just Halloween, guys, but a lot of these holidays, you can still trade, but you have to be methodical. You have to understand and study what is your trading. Don't try to trade USD MEX on a Halloween. Okay, don't sit there and try to trade Ethereum, and you've never traded Ethereum a day in your life, but then on Halloween you try to trade Ethereum. Probably not the smartest thing to do. Okay, so with that being said, let's go into just what we are going to look for at the rest of the week, because I think today is going to be a good day to trade, or tomorrow, and the rest of the week is going to be a good week. So let's look at, let me see here, the news. Let me see. Today we have AUD news at 11:30. Okay, that's cool. We have USD news tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll be trading with TTA Elite. So if you're in TTA Elite, I might even bring the fire wig. You know what I'm saying? Sit on my throne and we all make money tomorrow, okay? In the morning. So if you're in TTA Elite, we are going to be looking at the markets live tomorrow, 9 a.m. And we're going to slaughter the market, especially NAS, because that's what I do. Okay. And if you're not in TTA Elite, I don't know what you're waiting for. Sir, I don't know what you're waiting for. And you should probably reconsider your life decisions. And you should join because it is in the description below. And price is going to raise by the end of the month. Not this month, November. So I think it's October, right? So, right. Yeah, that is. So by the end of October or November, it's going to increase. Okay, I tried to make it echo, but I don't have the echo, so it's okay. All right, so make sure you're in TTA Elite. All right, descriptions in below. If you have any questions, you can also email us thetradeauthority@gmail.com. Okay, so anything you need answered, any concerns, anything you want to talk to Max or myself about, probably email us there. It's probably the easiest way to contact us. All right. Make sure you're getting TT Elite. Anyway, let's go back. Okay. Here we go. So what can we expect the rest of the week, guys? Because I think this week is going to be good. So let's look at the dollar really quick. Let's look at the dollar. All right. And very interesting. Very interesting with movement with the dollar. Okay. This is what I see. Let's go to the weekly. Okay. And actually, let me talk to my friendly intelligent genius students here. Okay. Since so many guys are on with us. All right. What is the overall macro trend on the dollar right now, guys? Bullish or bearish? Put in chats right now. Bullish or bearish? What do you think? Come on. Oh, don't get jiggy with it. Get jiggy. Okay. Y'all say bullish. Okay. Anyone saying bearish? Does anyone want to counter the argument and say bearish? Let me see. It broke the previous low though, Silky. Okay. Robert is saying bearish. Okay. All right. We have a challenger, like Mortal Kombat, new challenger. Dun, dun, dun. Here comes Robert. Anyway, Let me see. Lakia says starting to create lows. Okay, I hear you, Lakia. So, Rashonda said temporary bearish pullback. Okay, Rashonda, I like that. Okay. Alicia said broke previous low. You don't conform, Robert. TBG, the link is in the description for TT Elite. Elite. All right. It's $199. All right. We do live sessions. We do signals as well. Disclaimer: past results are not indicative of future results, ma'am. Okay. And but we have been extremely accurate. I will say that. So it is worth it if you want to have some experience trading live and also be in a great environment. People who want to learn, level up. Is it still going with the bullish trend? Okay, let's go. Liquidity grab Pippin. Okay, cool. Let's dissect this, guys, really quick. So this is what I'm thinking. I just wanted to see what you guys thought. But overall, my boy Robert, I think you're mistaken, my guy. You know, even though I like your rebellious nature, my friend. I love a person who can challenge authority. Okay, I love it. All right, but I honestly think it's in a bullish uptrend, man. I'm looking at the daily here. Now, here's where you can get jammed up is that, yes, it did break previous low structure here, right? But I want you to also look at it this way, because you have to remember, guys, the market is very abstract and you can't look at it in black and white all the time. All right. You really have to understand the different variables that can throw you. And the only way that you can understand that is from chart time, is from putting in the work diligently every day. There's not much I can't just give it to you. Even if I gave you the holy grail strategy, it would be nothing because your eyes are not trained. Okay. So, you know how they say, like, like Kung Fu masters, it's like, it's not the weapon, it's the master, right? Like if you give a Kung Fu master nunchucks, he's gonna slaughter you. Whether you give him a stick, you give him a freaking, I don't know, a sword, a katana, it doesn't matter, right? You give him a book, he'll probably beat you with a book, okay? But it's because he's a master, so it's the wielder that's more important than the tool itself. Once you become a master wielder, then you can now use the tool at its optimal efficiency. Okay, so that's what you need to master and become. You see me talking all, kung fu-ish because I got the, come on. You see what I'm looking like, all right? All right. I'm actually Rengoku from Demon Slayer, if any of you guys know, okay? I'm a Hashira, which is, all right, I'm a Demon Slayer. I'm just saying, for those of you who want to know, okay? My name's Rengoku. So, it's funny because his name is R2. Ryan Rengoku, anyway. But the point is, right, guys, is that you need to focus on getting better yourself, okay? Not really the tools and trying to figure out what is the best tool, what is the best indicator, what is the best strategy. All these things you have to develop within yourself, but none of it matters if you haven't developed the intrinsic qualities that you need to be a master trader, right? So understanding, putting in the chart time, back testing, front testing, again, all these things we go over with you guys, seeing the different variations in the market, that's going to help you become solidified in your approach to the market every day. Now, back to what I was saying, right? I think that is still overall bullish. Okay. I think the trend is definitely still overall bullish. But there's a couple key points here, and let me go over those points. Okay. So when we go to the 4 hour, which I like as kind of an overall higher time frame to kind of just look at charts on, okay, we have a couple things here, right? So this is a key level here, right? I think everyone can agree that the overall macro trend is bullish. Now, does that mean that the dollar is going to go straight up? Right? Does that mean the dollar is going to pop straight up because, the overall trend is up? No, as you guys see, it did a very nice, what I would call like a nice two-wave correction on the higher time frame. Okay. And this could easily even be another correction because it just hit a strong level right there. Right. So it can easily, in my opinion, do something like this. Okay. We kind of have like this is a one wave, a two wave, retracement wave, and then pop back up, something like that. Okay. So I'm actually expecting the dollar to pop back down a little bit and then get bullish again. And where do I want it to get bullish? I want it to hold this zone here. Okay. But when am I planning to really buy New York? Or I'm sorry, it's in New York. The dollar, New York session. Okay. So I'm going to be looking tomorrow. What I'm hoping, okay, what I'm hoping is that the dollar drops a little bit. And by tomorrow, we get it around this area somewhere. And then I think that's going to give it momentum to shoot up for New York. And that would be perfect because we're going to make a lot of moolah. Moolah, moolah. Okay. And that's what I want. So as you see, I'm anticipating the market. I'm seeing what it's doing, and I'm anticipating what I want to happen at this, even at the session. So this could happen in London. It could happen in New York, right? But I kind of now took a step back, understood, okay, the overall macro trend is up. Okay. It did do a two-way correction. It did hit also a significant level on the 4 hour here. So I don't think it's just going to shoot straight up and not at least reject this level because this level is pretty strong here, right? So it's going to give me some type of rejection off the 3 to drop a little bit. So that's why it's dropping. I think this is a good, healthy retracement. And then possibly London or New York is when we could look to buy the DXY. Okay. And once it breaks this level here, which I'm going to put an alert on, it will be a very significant level that it breaks. Okay. And that will be, so once the dollar like breaks this zone, guys, breaks this level, that's going to be a lot of confluence that the dollar is going to shoot up because this is a strong level. So once that strong level becomes broken, we'll have a lot of bullish momentum. Okay. So I think this is what's going to happen this week. I think the dollar is going to drop, continue up. We'll see. All right. But also, what I want you guys to understand is you have to become reactive. Okay. You have to react to the market, not just be able to predict it, because I mean, that's pretty easy. But what if the dollar just starts to drop, guys? Like, what if the dollar just says, nah, I actually want to drop. News comes out, the dollar starts to drop like this, right? Then what? Well, I don't care. If the dollar starts dropping and breaking this level, then listen, we're going down, and then whatever is going to be congruent with the dollar dropping, we're going to do, whether that's buying EU, buying GU, maybe, you know what I'm saying? Like, make money either way. But you just have to understand the market structure here, okay? Because this is the overall huge macro zone here. We're in a bullish channel in the overall macro trend, like the daily, the weekly, all that, right? So I definitely want to see bullish pressure engage again. But could it break this level and be a hard retracement down and then pop up? For sure. But I'd much rather it hold this level basically at this 4 point, somewhere around here. And then that's when we really want to get back into the market again, right? And it's very simple, guys, right? It's just higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? Very basic stuff, right? We teach it over and over and over again, right? Nothing too crazy, all right? But it's breaking those levels, coming back to those levels, breaking those levels, right? Very easy stuff, okay? Going from zone to zone, level to level. And again, that just comes with understanding, preparing, and getting your daily chart time in. And I promise, the faster you want to move is the faster that you're going to understand this. Okay, if you want to master these charts, if you want to get better at trading significantly, then you better be doing something every day. I don't care if it's 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, 15 minutes a day. You have no excuse. Okay, you're on these charts with me every day almost, or all the time I'm doing it. And I'm going to continue to do these free live sessions for you guys every single week, at least to do something with you guys to help you guys out. All right. So you have some type of guidance, right, in the markets, but I won't always be here. That's what TTA Elite is for. Dun da da dun. Dun da da dun. That's what happened to the competition. My bad. I'm sorry, y'all. Anyway, okay. So I'm just saying, all right, that I'm gonna do it a couple more times this week with you guys around the same time, 8:30. All right. But you kind of need to be able to dissect this for yourself. All right. The only way you're gonna get good is by doing it repetitively, consistently. Okay. All right. So let's go look at some other pairs and see like what else we see. So that's the dollar, right? Let's look at AUD USD. One of my favorite pairs ever. All right. Well, it's like the best Forex pair ever. Like, I'm serious. It really is. So that's just me. Let's look at the daily. All right. So it's at a very interesting level. So I want to take a boat. I want to take a boat ski. Okay. What do you guys think AUD USD is? Bullish, bearish? Because I think it can argue both, but I want to see what you guys think. Bullish, bearish, consolidating. And I'm going to sit here with my hands folded like this until I get enough votes. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sit just like this. Let me see. Bearish, be overall bearish. Bearish with a pullback. Okay. Bearish with a pullback. All right, interesting. Okay, overall bearish with bullish pullback. Okay, LaShonda. Okay. I like it. Would you say bearish with the potential to go bullish because of structure? Okay, Fernando, I like it. Okay. Coach Max ain't here. What are we talking about? Oh, snap, she is. Hold on. Look, first of all, who said you're allowed on here, Coach Max? It's a party. It's a party now. It's a party now. It's a party. Okay, all right, I'm chilling. Coach Max is from New York, so she's probably like going crazy. So I don't want to do that. All right. Bullish. Okay, cool. So this is what I see, guys, right? Let's dissect it together because I think this is a really good example because this is a pair that can jam you up, or this is a situation, let me say, that can jam you up. Okay, so let me break it down to you guys. Let's start with the weekly. All right, let's start with the weekly. And the way I have the weekly drawn is very simple, right? Okay, sir. That's not what I wanted. So delete. Thank you. Okay. So this was a crazy big weekly zone that it rejected. Okay, cool. Now, obviously, it's bearish on like the weekly and the daily. Let's go to like the daily bearish for sure, right? But it hit this level, right? Now, this is how I would draw this out. So, like if I'm drawing channels here, let's just say I'm drawing channels. Let's just say I like channels. Anyone can see that this is like in a downward channel, right? So it's pretty bearish overall, right? It is bearish overall here. I don't think anyone would argue that for the past couple of days, weeks, months, AUDUSD has been super bearish. Okay, cool. But when we go to dissect it like on the 4-hour or those kind of like not really like the swing trade, the weekly swing trade type of time frames, right? And you kind of analyze what's going on here. Like this was a huge, this is to me is a huge level that AUD is respecting. Huge, huge, huge level. Okay. So you can see it clearly right here. All right. And you can even look at like, you know, this is almost a head and shoulders ish, but it's not really head and shoulders, but you get what I'm saying, right? You have nice structure. That's what I'm saying here. You have nice structure here. Really nice structure. So to me, this whole level here is super duper strong. Super, super strong. Okay. So it's going to be interesting to see how AUDUSD holds this level. Okay. Because I think the way that it holds this level will determine what's going to happen here. So some of you guys said it's bearish with a bullish pullback. Some of you guys said it's super bearish, but I'm just pulling back and it's going to get it's still going to continue down. Some of you said, hey, it's going to it's going to reverse and now it's going to start to go up. And I actually see opportunities or possibilities for all of those things. But as a trader, you have to say to yourself, okay, there's all these opportunities, but what am I going to do? How am I going to trade? Am I going to buy or sell? Right? You have to have some type of position. You can't want to buy and sell at the same time. That's not going to work. I definitely don't encourage hedging. Some people do hedging. Some people have a hedging strategy. That's not my thing. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm right, I'm right. I don't like to, do both. Okay. I don't like to buy and sell and say, oh, yeah, I'm going to close my buy and let the sell run, close the buy. And, I'm just going to do both. It's like, to me, you might as well just be gambling at that point. All right. That's just my personal philosophy. So what I would do, right? Let's go to the smaller time frames. Okay. And when we're on the 1 hour here, right? I want to see structure broken on the 1 hour. So this is what I would do. These highs here have not been broken. Okay. So for me, this is what I think is very possible. I think that it's going to probably go up, down. Like, let me see. Hold this level, break it down. This would be very nice. But also, if it breaks this level up here, then it's probably going to go up to the next level up here at the top of the channel. So the only way I would even consider buying AUDUSD, honestly, is once it breaks this level up here, which I can put an alert for up here. All right. And the reason I would do that is because these highs here, okay, these highs here and here, I want them to get shattered and broken. All right. And as that gets shattered and broken, what's going to happen, guys? So if AUDUSD pops up right here, what do you guys think is going to happen? What is that going to be a sign of? So once it goes boom, pops up like this, what does that mean? Put it in the chat. What does that mean? Somebody talk to me. Let me see. Liquidity is built up. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Let me see. What are y'all saying? Break of structure. Okay. Right. Once it breaks this level, to me, that's going to mean, all right, we now have bullish momentum. Okay. Momentum. Right. So again, there is news at 10:30 or not 10:30, 11:30 for AUDs, guys. So this, in my opinion, could hold and maybe pop up. I don't know. But if it does start to actually break this level down here, which I will also put an alert for, then I know for a fact I'm going to sell AUDUSD for the rest of the week. Okay. Because this is a huge level. This overall zone right here is a huge level. So the way that it breaks through this level will tell me a lot about ADSD. Okay. So if it starts to break these previous highs, I'm going to be bullish on it. If it begins to break this previous low and zone, I'm going to be bullish on it. So far as right now, I'm not really on any bias on it. It's, to me, stuck in consolidation. Okay. And I need more momentum to show me what it wants to do. Okay. So this is a good case and scenario when, again, we kind of analyzed it from the daily chart. And even though it's overall bullish, or I'm sorry, overall bearish, so it's going down, there's more sellers than buyers, it does have the opportunity to even pop up a little higher because it's holding market structure. Okay. It is holding market structure here, right? It is holding. Boom. It could go boom, pop up, and could get slightly bullish here, slightly. Okay. As an intraday trader, because that's what I do. I'm an intraday trader, right? I'm not a swing trader, and I'm not like a super duper scalper. I just want to know, like, what's that good move for the session, right? I'm only trying to catch on AU maybe like 20, 30, 40 pips. That's it. Nothing too crazy. All right. And I'm done. Okay. So there's a lot of things that can happen here. And I want you guys to just realize that, like, you have to, if you're confused, right? If you don't understand what it's going to do, then you put your alerts and put it at levels that you know for a fact. Once it hits those levels, you have a direction, you have a trend change or a shift in direction, whether it's bullish or bearish. So right here for me, I'm not going to get in anything with this pair at the moment, right? Because it could be a buy, right? It could be holding this area and pop up, or it could be a sell continuing the overall downtrend, right? There's really a lot of different scenarios that can happen here. And I'm not going to gamble and pick a side yet until I have a really, really good solid foundation and confluence on what direction is going to go. Right. So I need a bunch of different confluences, and I need just more data. That's it. Right. And I want structure to hold at some point. I want it to hold. So if it pops back down, makes a nice W here, and pops back up, that'd be perfect. Then we're definitely going to buy. In this case, if it just keeps making lower lows, lower highs, starts to break this level down here and get down here, okay, we're definitely going to start to sell it. So you have time here, right? So don't think that you have to force a setup or force the trade or force yourself to see something that you don't see. A lot of times the market isn't going to show you exactly what you want. It's going to show you what it's doing. And it's up to you to just be safe. Okay. So that's AU. Let's look at NAS real quick because NAS is Bay. And, we killed all our NAS trades like last week. Nuts, undefeated on NAS. Been undefeated on NAS. Just been slaughtering NAS all freaking week. Okay. All this week, last week, next week, the week after. That's just what we do. So overall, I think NAS is going to correct. I think it's going to get bullish from here temporarily, actually, when I really analyze it. I think it might get bullish and then drop. I'm thinking it's going to self-correct and then droppity drop. That's what I think. Even though it was a nice sell today. It was a nice sell today, but once it breaks like this area down here, oops, I do not want you, Mr. Sun. What the heck was that? I wanted a line, sir. Thank you. All right. So once it really breaks this level, this will be a very, very significant level. And this is going to drop super nice. I actually would love for NAS to drop from here. That would be super sexy. Okay. So there's a lot of potential for this to drop from this level here. I know a lot of you guys can see why just on the candlesticks, like on the 4 hour, it's on the 6 hour. You see on the 6 hour for sure, easy. You see on the 8 hour, it's on the daily. Okay, but as you go to like these different time frames, right, that I kind of help you guys with in TTA Elite, you can see how this level is very clear once we get the structure break. So if New York happens, right? Let's just say New York happens, NAS starts to drop, from London, boom, it hits the level, starts to drop here. We already know what we're doing. I would start to sell NAS. Okay. And once it starts to break into this area, that's a good 200, 300 pip move. So I'm going to put a price alert at this level. So you guys are seeing I'm putting alerts in real time, what I'm looking for, right? Once NAS breaks this level, breaks this zone, and this is on the 1 hour now, right? It starts to break this consolidation, this pop up here, which can easily be just a bullish wedge pattern, right? And then drop, boom. Okay. It can easily maybe pop up for London, do something like this, pop up back here, and then drop. That's perfectly fine by me. Once it hits this level, we're gonna start to sell this baby. Okay, so definitely look for that. This is a possibility, a big possibility. Okay, I would like to see that. NAS is overall bearish, but it does look like it kind of wants to correct here. So I would just be careful and make sure that you're not getting in before you see the volume and momentum in the move, right? Which is why I teach you guys, especially when we do our live sessions and we do, the 9:30 open for NAS. Like how the way I teach you guys to trade it, you have to be very careful and very calculated. Okay, very calculated. All right. So this is very possible for NAS, guys. Now, could it go bullish? It could. It could. I'm just telling you what I want to happen, what I'm looking for. What I do know is that if it does this, for sure, we're going to sell the crap out of it, for sure. So that's just something to look for. Now, could it go bullish? Yes, it could. Absolutely. There's another high up here. It could maybe want to pop up higher all the way up there and then drop, maybe even up here, because there's a really high resistance zone up here if you guys see this. So it may even want to pop up to this area and then drop. That's a possibility as well too. So again, you kind of just have to always weigh your options and see all the different variations that the market can throw you. Okay, so for me personally, I like to trade NAS in New York, so I'm not even going to care about it, what it does today, what it does in London session. I'm going to look at it early in the morning and see where it is, where price is, and I'm going to be able to navigate through that. And if it does look really good, I will probably throw the signal out. Okay, if it does look really good. And again, you can get in that on our TTA announcements or my free signal live chat, or not live chat, but my free Telegram, which I will drop. I will drop it here. Let me drop it for you guys real quick. Let me see. Yeah, it is NFP week too, guys. That's another thing. That's another thing. All right. It is NFP week. You got to be careful, schmerful. All right. So I still think it's doable. I'm going to trade NFP with you guys in TTA Elite. Okay. We're going to trade NFP. Definitely going to trade NFP. Okay. I'm going to show you guys how to trade it properly. But it isn't easy, and it's something you have to like really have a game plan and trade plan for. So we'll go over that beforehand and we'll look at it live together, guys. So you guys understand how to trade super, super volatile markets. Because it's still very doable, right? But you definitely cannot be greedy. That's the problem. It's like if I say, hey, here's $100, but you have the potential to make $1,000. Are you going to keep the 100 or are you going to gamble the 100 to make the 1,000? Now, here's the thing. You feel me? Like, be real with me. If I said, hey, here's a free $100, you can keep this 100, or I'll give you the 100 for an opportunity at making the 1,000. What would you take? Would you take the guaranteed 100, or would you gamble the 100 to make 1,000? What would y'all do? I'm just curious. What sounds better for you guys? Would you take the risk? Are you a risk taker like that? Or are you like, no, I want the secured 100, right? Or like, hey, well, it's a free 100. I might as well try to risk it to make 10 times. What would you do, the 100 or 1,000? Risk it, make that 1,000. Okay. Pam said, "Rap." Okay. Very interesting. I'll be very real with me. Y'all said risk taker, risk taker. Let me see. Make the 1,000. Risk. All y'all some risk takers. Y'all some what? Y'all some risky frisky having people. Y'all just y'all really. Where's Max at? She hasn't seen the sword yet. This is a real sword, y'all. Like this is I can really cut somebody, all right. I gotta be careful unsheathing the sword, all right, because it can really like hurt somebody, and I don't want to hurt y'all, all right, but you're gonna make me whip it out. Okay, y'all gonna make me whip it out, all right. Y'all are some risky traders. Okay, yo, listen, it's got fire on the sword. Hold on, y'all see it? Look, it's fire on the sword. Okay, look at that. Because it's a fire session. Do you not see the fire hair with the fire sword? Pfft, come on. Come on. Yo, I wish I had my soundboard today, but unfortunately it's not working. And yo, we're gonna fix that. I don't know why YouTube is trying to like demonetize my soundboard. I don't know. But okay, listen. First of all, y'all are some risky mother effers, all right? And I would cut y'all individually one by one and put y'all on the line and say, come here, slap, like in school with the nun with the ruler back in the day. Well, it's 2022. And instead of that, you have Ryan with the hair and the fire sword, and y'all got to line up so I can smack y'all one by one. Smack, 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 one by one. Okay? So listen to this, all right? Y'all are risky. And I can't even get mad at y'all because I'm risky too. So I can't even get mad at y'all. But that's not the way you want to trade NFP. Okay? That's not the way you want to trade. I haven't seen not one person said, oh, I take the 100. If I told you get a free $100, y'all don't want the free 100? Everyone wants the 1,000? Y'all are ridiculous. Y'all say, no, I don't want the free money. I want the possibility of the 10x money. Ryan, I'm not in it to make $100. I want $1,000, sir. And you know what? I can relate. Because I'm a risk taker by nature too, guys. Okay. But over the years, I've had to realize I have to make more calculated risks. Okay. And when you're trading NFP, and this is why I asked you that question, because some of y'all aren't understanding. Okay. Because with NFP, it is basically free money. But you can't be greedy. It's basically like saying, hey, here's a free 100. It's not a free 1,000. It's not a free 2,000. It's a free 100. But none of y'all would take the free 100. And then that's why y'all mess up NFP. Because you're like, screw that. I don't want the 100. I want the 1,000. And I'm here telling you it's basically a free 100. And if you did that all the time and compounded that, you would easily have the $1,000 that you wanted. Sir, young lady, but y'all ain't listening. So line up so all y'all can get smacked, okay, by the fire sword. Nobody said 100. Y'all crazy. I mean, but I relate. Honestly, I relate to y'all. So that's why y'all my students, because I guess y'all kind of like me in a sense. So maybe I have myself to blame. Damn. Now when I think about it, I'm like, yeah, maybe it's my fault. But anyway, that's not the point. Do as I say, not as I do, like what your mom would say, or dad. Or in this case, your fire trading mentor. So in all seriousness, though, guys, like I've become very conservative in NFP. It's like you don't want too much. Like NFP, let's say for NAS, right? It will easily move 200, 300 points. I'm okay with just taking 40, 50 points out of a 300 point move. I don't care. I don't care. And it's like, it took me so long to realize that. Again, so think of it from this perspective. Like maybe Euro USD might move like 100 pips. You have to be comfortable taking maybe 20, 30 pips, 20%, 30% of the move, because it moves so erratic, right? It moves up and down so crazy. Sometimes you have a drop for 50 pips and then retraces 50 pips in the next 5 minutes. So you have to really get in and get out and just like be happy with making money. When you see the good setup, when you see the volume and momentum kicking in. And you see, that's the problem with most of y'all, is that you're not comfortable with that. So it takes some training. Again, we're going to do that this week with TTA. So if you're not in TTA Elite, then here's the advertisement, sir. Description then below, $199. Get in now. But wait, there's more. No, there's not more. I'm just joking. So, all right. So it's interesting to see you guys all put 1,000. And that's really that's, I think, with the entire populace of traders, whether you're a rookie, veteran, professional trader, everyone has a level of greed and risk and wanting to make a lot of money, to the point where they'll risk easy money, easy, consistent money, to make big lumps of risky money, right? And you kind of have to decelerate from trying to make big chunks of risky money and instead learn and retrain your brain to take consistent lower sums of money. That's the difference. Okay? That's bars right there. You feel me? I told y'all I went to the mountain. See, some of y'all thought I was lying when I said I went to the mountain, right? I can talk to you when I went to Mount Everest. All right. I went to Lake Minnetonka. I went to the Shaolin Monk Temple. How do you think I got this sword? How do you think I got this hair? How do you think I got the bars today? Who do you think I am? I'm the Fire Hashira, okay? I'm the Fire Demon Slayer. Do you not understand? All right, just making sure. This is better than SNL, hey, Helly. It would be so much better if my my soundboard was working, but you know what? I'm gonna fix that for tomorrow. You best believe. Fernando says the lava sword, exactly. It's the lava sword for me. Do you hear me? Stop playing with me in real life. All right. I forged this sword from the many years I put in the market. They were like, Ryan, we can't even give you a regular sword. It's got to be fire, because the signals that you're about to send out, fire. The sessions you're about to send out, fire. The analysis you're about to send out, fire. They was like, well, there's only one type of sword we can give you, sir. I'm like, you already know what's up. Give me the hair to match. Let's go. Hurry up. And they're like, gank, put it on. Sword, give me that. Walked out the Shaolin Monk Temple like, that was easy. Why did everyone say it was hard, y'all think it's a game. This is for real. This is for real. All right. Okay. Let me see if I have any other pairs real quick. Any other pairs? Well, let's see. Is there any other pairs you guys want me to look at? Let me see. If there's something that you guys want me to genuinely look at, I'll analyze it for you. Let me see. GA. Oh, okay. I don't know. Something. I'm trying to find something that looks really good. What's a pair you guys want me to analyze for you? It can be crypto. It can be any pair you guys want. Let me see. Because I got to get off here in like 10 minutes. Thank you, Melvis. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? The JPN, Robert. I don't really like the JPN, man. Or the I do like it, but I don't trade it actually. I should though. I really should. What's up? What's up, Manny? You're. What you know about that Demon Slayer, bro? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Come on, man. You just say any pair. Oh, okay, Robert. You know what? You're right, bro. You're calling my bluff. You're calling my bluff, bro. Okay, I'll look at, you guys said UJ, NJ, US 30, 30, 30. Listen, man. Hold up. I'm about to show y'all. Hold on. I'm about to show y'all who I am in real life. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Y'all don't know? Look, hold on. I think I got to show y'all real quick. And then I'll go to the... All right, here we go. I'm about to share it. Here we go. I'm about to share the screen. Because some of y'all don't know. So I got to let y'all know. Hold on. You feel me? All right. Look. This is me in real life. All right. This is me in real life. Okay. Let me see. All right. This is me in real life. He is a demon slayer. He's a fire demon slayer. Okay. Legit fire. All right. He's a goat. Okay. If you guys don't watch Demon Slayer, you know, you wouldn't understand. But just know I am fire in real life. How do you think I got my hair like this? This is not a wig. This is like my hair. When I've ascended to a new level. Okay. This is my hair in real life now. So every time you see Ryan and you see the gold and brown and the red and everything mixed together, and looks like a flame on my head, you're like, yo, is that a wig? No, that's just the level that I ascended to after I came from Mount Fujimoto in Thailand. What are you talking about? How you think I got this sword, bro? Okay. All right. Let's go back to the charts now. So let's go to first, my man Robert said, what'd he say? He said JPN. All right, let's look at the JPN. He called my bluff. I said, say anything. I was like, nah, not JPN. He was like, nah, bro. He said anything. I said, dang, all right, you're right. My bad. You're right. Here we go. Let's look at it. Okay, let me see. Is it on here? Here we go. So JPN, guys, which is the Japanese index, which I like. Actually, I do like it. I do like it. All right, so let's do a quick, really rundown analysis. I'll do something really quick. Boom. Here we go. Go to the line chart. Boom. I'll start drawing some levels real quick. Wow. No, I don't want that one. I want the daily levels. We'll make it blue. Sure, that works. We'll draw this one right here. I'll draw this level right here too. Okay, quick low levels. Go down to the 4. Go to the candlesticks. Okay, start to draw our levels here. I definitely see, boom, it broke market structure at this point. Haha, okay. All right, boom. This could easily be here. It could easily be something like this. So now I'm going to overlap these levels with this. I'm going to remove the, let me see, the watermark, or no, not the watermark, the session breaks really quick. So this looks cleaner. Oh, that looks so clean. So fresh and so clean. So fresh and so clean. Okay, my bad. I'm sorry. Anyway, so here we go. This level to me is very clean, guys, right? This is really good market structure here. Really good market structure. So just a quick recap. Why did I put the 1 point here instead of here? Why did I put it here instead of here? I put it here. How, Ryan, how did you know? Why'd you put it here? Well, it's very simple, my friend. Because at this point, it broke this previous low here. See, this one, it was an equal high. See that equal high? This one was a higher high, right? Higher higher, equal, higher. Okay, anyway, right? So this is a higher high. That is why the 1 point hit now. Hit this right here. So we have really nice structure. Boom, hits this level, nice W. Higher high here, holds this level, it holds this zone. Then we're going uppity up, up, up. Okay, so this looks really good for the buy overall, guys, on JPN. I really do like this market structure. So what I would say is that as long, so now let's go to like the 1 hour. And as long as it starts to give me intraday bullish momentum, like basically higher highs, higher lows, like on a smaller resistance level, like we get like this here, boom, and then maybe another level here, boom, and it starts to hold these levels, right, and make higher highs, higher lows, I would start to buy JPN. So look for this, I would say, for the rest of the week. I think JPN is going to be pretty bullish for the rest of the week. It actually looks really good, especially as it holds this area. And we have a lot of bullish momentum here on the daily. We have a bullish engulfing right here on the daily at that level. I think this is really, really clean. So even as much as I didn't like this pair, it's looking pretty good. Why, thank you, Robert. You know, maybe I'll play something for you, bro. What should I play for you? Should I play some Michael Jackson? Okay, no, maybe this one. Nah. I could give you some other ones, but I don't know, bro. You did go bearish when everyone went bullish, bro, and you thought I forgot, but I didn't forget. Remember, Robert was going bearish when everyone was going bullish, y'all? Remember that? Yeah, we didn't forget that, bro. So, sorry, my guy. You're still in the back of the class. We still love you, though, but you're still in the back of the class. Yeah. Okay. So I mean, okay, you guys said UJ. I'm gonna do like UJ really quick. Let me see what time is it. I got like 10 more minutes. All right. UJ, let's go to UJ. Dang, I have all these notes. I can't be showing you all these notes. Look all the good notes I got. Whoa, chill. Can't show you all the good notes. All right. So UJ is like ridiculously bullish. Okay? Like disgustingly bullish, but UJ has a tendency to pull back on that behind and give you some nasty pullback sometimes. Like, look at this. It was like, ha, got you. Then dropped again, ha, got you. And then popped up. Yuck. Right? But at the end of the day, what did it do? Maintain bullish market structure, right? But on the smaller levels, it just retraced. Right? So you see how clean this still was on the 6 hour, on the daily, on everything else, still holding market structure, right? Still holding this really nice bullish channel, right? Still pretty good. So overall, this thing is bullish. Overall bullish. I do think it can, however, pull back. Remember, like the dollar, guys. Look, so just like the dollar, right? Look, it's overall bullish. Let's kind of take a step back. Hold on. Right? The dollar is in a bullish up channel, but has the potential to kind of pull back and then go up again. So that same thing could be said for UJ. Kind of the same type of feel, right? Where, it is overall bullish, but has the potential to kind of reject this level. So it really has potential to kind of pull back down. And this would be a really, really nice buy area if it pulls back down here. Okay. So overall bullish, but it is in a pullback stage. Make sense? I mean, aliens haven't jacked me up, guys. This is really me in real life. And if y'all join TTA Elite, I will bring the sword and the hair tomorrow for the class as we slaughter the market. That if you come. Link is in the description. I will bring the hat, the sword, and the antics, and for all of you. All right. And we will slaughter tomorrow. All right. Let's see. And yeah, Max, they don't really know, Max. This is really me in real life. Like they don't. I'm about to just walk away before I slice all of y'all one by one. Okay. This is really me in real life. You know what I'm saying? I gotta don't make me angry. Okay. Okay. Don't do it. All right. All right. Let's do one more pair, guys. You said UJ, and then you said what else you guys say? I'm having too much fun. My bad. Let's do. You guys said NJ. I think I'm gonna do one last more. Let me see. Let me see what you guys said. So y'all didn't even, y'all said NZDUSD D30. Oh my gosh, not German 30. Not German 30. Not the 30. Mel, you're in tears, Mel? Mel said he's in real tears. I'm glad I can make y'all night. I can make y'all Halloween amazing. Hopefully I made y'all laugh today. My nemesis Roy! Roy! Come here, Roy. Now I know we offed your head that last time, but now Roy just said GJ. So I'm Roy, hold on. Roy, listen, Roy, hold on. I'm going to sheath my sword because Roy, you're about to make me come out. All right. The whole session will be shut down if we look at GJ. Don't do it to you. I don't want to do it to you, Roy. All right. I don't want to off your head, young man. I don't want to do it. Y'all said GJ. Okay, we're not doing GJ. So now back to the charts. Here we go. We can do, let me see what you guys, we said, okay, some of you guys said NU, so let's do NU. How about that? Last chart will be NU. We're not going to do the GJ or the US 30. Let's do NU, guys. I like NU. NU's looking pretty sexy. All right. Let's see here. Okay. So NU is very similar to AU, right? New Zealand moves very closely and in tandem with Australian dollar, right? So we have a weekly level that this was clearly hit. Then we go to the daily, right? And it is slightly breaking market structure, slightly on the daily, okay? Which you can really see probably a little bit more cleanly on the 4 hour, right? On the 4 hour, we kind of have here almost like a head and shoulders-ish type of pattern, if I can find it. So it's like this, boom, 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 okay? Really good, solid structure here. Here is the next level here. So as long as the New Zealand dollar kind of holds this, I do think it could potentially pop up just a smidge, because I do think the overall trend is down, but it's going through a small correction phase, and that correction phase could end, at this level here. This channel down here. Look at the way this is channeling down here. Okay, so I think it's overall still bearish, right? But it has potential to kind of reject and pop up a little bit. So for me, just like AUD/USD, I would probably just wait, be patient. I honestly want to wait for the sell more than the buy on AU or NU. But does that have potential to pop up? Yes, because it did break the significant level here. And if it continues like a second wave correction or a 2-wave correction, it still can go up a little bit. And I would think it will go up to this level up here, which is about, it could be 100 pips. Wow. Before dropping significantly and then tanking, boom, like that. Okay. All right. Let me see. These are the Bruce Lee vibe for me. Okay. Stop playing with me. All right. So let me see here. I'm like, I'm like frozen. I'm frozen. All right. Can you guys hear me? I don't know if you guys can hear me, but okay. So I am done. We are done, beautiful people. Thank you for coming to the show. Oh, you can hear me? Okay. Yeah, I am kind of freezing a little bit, but as you guys can hear me, thank you for coming to the show. All right. This session will be deleted. This will not go on the YouTube. So hopefully you enjoyed the antics. Okay. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I will see my TTA students in the morning. All right. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I will do another overview session. Okay. We'll see if the moves happen correctly. See what we can do. If we can look for some more setups. What's up, Kim? What's up? What's up, Joyce? Okay. What's up? Steph, what's up? Carla, hopefully you guys got some laughs. You guys had some fun marking up some charts with me. See you guys on the Inside TTA Elite. Hopefully I see you guys so we can rock out and make money and learn together. Disclaimer, past results are not indicative of future results, but future results are looking very promisingly. Okay. All right. So anyway, love you guys. Have a great night. See you guys on this side. Again, TTA Elite price is going up by the end of November. Make sure you lock in. See you guys. Peace. Love you. Done. Annie, are you okay? Say, Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie?